subscribe with notifications on.
Later on, they come
when you
and
vote for ANC, they talk cock.
exactly, time and again.
Telling again, we will help you for the houses, but the houses never come. Look at the people.
Or maybe they will give just one bedroom.
Yeah.
For a lot of family, like 5 members of a family, but one bedroom.
And
how do you sleep inside with the kids?
Whoa.
Exactly. That's my main
One
problem.
bed, and then you take a mattress and throw it on the ground and then you sleep.
Imagine.
And then they say it's a house.
Yeah.
Imagine.
The thing is,
This is so
people
bad.
don't care about us. Where us staying.
This is so bad, really. It's so bad, guys. I don't lie. I think the government of South Africa must try and do something, man. It's not right.
That white lady?
Yeah.
Don't
No.
worry, let's just hold on to Jesus. Everything is going to be okay in the mighty name of Jesus.
I believe it.
Let's hold on to Jesus.
I
And let's
believe
pray
that
for our country and our president. That's the most important
the
thing we
country
can
must
do.
come right.
Exactly. See? Exactly. All we need to do is to unite and pray for our country to be a better country. That's the most important thing.
But I want to ask you something. I think you gonna show the people what I talking there. Oh, I'm man.
No.
Why are you doing that?
No, listen to me, Mama. Your
But
opinion.
I'm not a side.
Their opinion.
No, you know what? I like talking also like that. If you say to me you don't want me to post it, I'm not gonna post it. If you're uncomfortable, but I'm gonna give you my channel name so you can check it out. And then if you don't like it, then you let me know. I'm gonna delete it.
No,
But it's the truth, Mos. Why don't you want to post it?
no, I don't want people to see my face.
Or your face. So I must just cover your face.
Yeah.
Do you know how many people we have interviewed, Mom?
Okay, but I'm just gonna cover your face. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I want you to come there, man.
I'm gonna come there.
Oh,
Don't
come.
worry. But I'm gonna just cover your face, ne, on this one.
But I can't put my name on that thing.
No, it's fine. Okay, I'll cut it off. I'll cut it off now.
Because the thing is there, man.
Give me this, my good man.
Yeah,
ne,
people are
I'm gonna come
struggling.
there. Don't worry.
But I don't.
Yeah, my potato and my onions. And I can say what I'm saying, I give you 20 rand.
If you come there, you
I give you 20 rand for...
Is this your mama?
But no one is gonna know.
Your aunt? I love her. She's very bright, nice person. And you know, very open as well, you know, honestly, you know. You must look after her, ne? Look after her.
Brother, I was so raised, I used to come very... At the person, even.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, Mama, for your
Give me
input.
7 rand.
Is it? Is it?
All right. Let me quickly go and support. I want to support somebody. I want to support somebody. Let me see if I can support somebody. I'm looking for spinach. Let me see if I can find spinach. I want to see if I can find spinach. I want to support somebody. This woman never wanted me to talk to her, but I want to support her. You know, I want to support her. You know what I'm looking for? Spinach. How much is your spinach? 20 rand. 20 rand. Are you sure it's 20 rand? Okay, so she's saying it's 20 rand for spinach. All right. Give me one pack. Give me one pack. Right. You see, I'm supporting her, but she's running away from me. Why are you running away from me, my sister? Why are you running away from me while I'm supporting you? See, I'm buying, supporting her. I'm buying spinach for 20 rand. I'm going to cook when I get home, but she's running away from me. This one, I found her sleeping. She said to me she was no, I'm fine. I only need I bought onions already. How much is your Evo? 10 rand. 20 rand.
Yes, 20 rand.
Not 10 rand.
Not 20 rand. It's big one.
Okay, give me change, mama. It's fine. Give me change. Can I have, what is this, mandongomas? How much?
Peanut.
How much is this one?
Peanut.
How much?
Peanut.
How much?
15 rand.
15 rand. Okay. All right. Give me change, Mama. It's fine. Give me change. All right. See, I'm buying from her. You know, she's gonna give me change. Right. It's always good, guys. You know, support our own, you know, people. You know. Thank you so much, Mama. Thank you so much. So, I'm going now. I bought spinach. I'm going forward to my car. Right, we bought something. It is to support them today. We're now going. Right.
Wat is dat?
Okay.
Gave you money, Mas.
Ja, maar
Okay.
wees maar tijd is in mijn goed.
How much
I
did you
give
give?
just 20 rand.
Okay, let's find out. Okay, let's see.
Oh, nice man. Ik heb nog nooit gestaan niet.
You say you gave him 7 rand, what?
Praten ik als Joodse die zo. Look,
You gave him how much?
20 rand.
Okay, who gave you the change? Who gave you the change?
I know. He's
If you don't
lying.
know, then I
He's
can't
lying.
help you.
Okay, that's my baby. That's my baby. He's taking a chance. This one is taking a chance.
Do you say no?